this is Challenge Cat 1 of my new channel, Challenge Cats. It's going to be all about me and my friends doing a ton of challenges that our other friends, who aren't part of this group obviously, ask us to do. So later, me and Challenge Cat 2 are going to do the Chubby Bunny Challenge because it's almost Easter. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We would love the publicity, and my other channel is Gil13MC, so go subscribe to that if you want. Thank you, and Cat 1 out. Candy!